With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
We have question is that three identical blocks A, B and C are placed on the horizontal frictionless surface. The block B and C are at the rest, but A is approaching towards B with a speed of 10 meters per second. The coefficient of the resistance for the all collision 0.5, the speed of the block C just after the collision. Okay, so we find out the solution. So firstly we write down the solution and let's start it. Okay, so here the collision is not perfectly elastic, so there is some loss in speed. So we write down MA is equals to the MB and this is equals to the MC, and that is equals to the M A into A and CC. Okay, we know the two linear momentum okay, so linear momentum is UA is equals to the VA plus VB by 10. Okay, according to the question, and we write down that is equals to the VA plus VB, and this is equation 1. Okay, now small e is equals to the VB minus VA upon UA, and this is 5UA, and this is equals to the VB minus VA, and this is equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 and equation 2 we find out. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we get 2VB is equals to the 15VB. Okay, so the ratio of VB is 15 by 2. Okay, so now collision between B and C, collision between B and C. Okay, so we write down the collision between B and C. We write down the equation is UB is equals to the VB plus VC into 15 by 2, and we write down is equals to the VB plus VC, and suppose this equation is third equation. Okay, and E, small e, is equals to the VC minus VB upon 0.5 UB into 0.5 UB. Okay, so UB is UB cancel out, and we got this VC minus VB, and equation 4th. So from equation 3rd and 4th, we get VC is equals to the 15 by 2 plus 0.5 into 15 by 2. Okay, on solving the equation, we get VC is equals to the 5.6 meter per second. So answer of this question is 5.6 meter per second. So 5.6 meter per second is option A is corrected. And thank you for the watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.